So hello and welcome to your newest video from this 500 SL. This car is from 1992 with the old M119 engine. It's like, in my opinion, one of the best cars there is. I really love this style icon because it's really like an like Miami Vice. Like if you have the Ferrari Testarossa in the time being, I think this is just more like a style icon. And of course it drives perfect. It drives like a modern car. Yeah, like see this condition because it's all completely first paint. And yeah, look the inside. It's so nice. Like everywhere. I can show you the engine. That's with the older cars, the window doesn't go down and then up. Oh, that's me. Welcome to the engine. That's all. I've done nothing to this car. I didn't clean it, nothing. It's like really, I bought it like this. It's just in a spectacular condition. Here's the last card of Mercedes. Also, it's really smooth. You can also hear it on the video, I hope so. There's a lot of wind today, but really, it's also really cold today. Yeah, it's so crazy. As I said in my text, it's like a style icon. It's like, yeah, Miami Vice is all over it. If you drive this car, you can drive a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, but really, like, you can't compare it with the style icon this car is. So many things have changed, like the fuel pump and the spark plugs, rotors. So it drives like new. Also the leather is like, it's only cleaned. It's not like redone, it's all original. It runs so smooth. I will show you that the top is working. This one is really quick because normally I have many SLs that aren't so quick, so I think they flushed the hydraulic oil. Everything works perfect. And now the test drive. This drive is just so smooth. I just love it. Don't drive too fast because otherwise the car is getting dirty. It's like always very raining in Holland. There's nothing that cracks, nothing. They maintain it with Mercedes like completely, like 1 or 2 years ago. So I'll give it now a little bit more throttle. It is of course hot, but it drives so smooth. Oh, I love these cars so much. It drives so smooth. Like the old antenna over there. One time a little bit of throttle. It's still also really quick, it's crazy. So this was the video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to visit the car is located in Amsterdam, so you can check it. Thank you, bye bye.